This is a look at the genuine Mansfield 3-inch tank-to-bowl gasket, part number 630-0205. This is a 2-bolt kit. It comes with this little Mansfield slip. It comes with the gasket itself, which is a softer gasket. Go across the bottom there. And then inside diameter here, as you can see, 3 inches. It comes with the 2 nuts and the 2 bolts. These bolts are a little different. They're designed to break before it will allow you to crack the tank. A little over 3 inches. Go ahead and measure one of these. Once again, this is the genuine Mansfield 3-inch tank-to-bowl gasket, part number 630-0205.